is Amazing Builders Club. I'm Jen, and I'm with you every Thursday at 2 p.m. with fun, open-ended building challenges and tool tutorials. So, follow me into the Amazing Builders Clubhouse, and let's get started. All right, Amazing Builders, let's jump right in to this week's Building Challenge. This week, your challenge is to build a castle. A castle is a large medieval structure that's made up of many smaller components like towers, thick walls, a keep, dungeons, battlements, drawbridges, and even a moat. You may have seen castles in Disney movies like Cinderella, Frozen, Beauty and the Beast, or even Rapunzel. There are many ancient and medieval castles in Europe, but did you know that here in Canada, we have more new and modern castles? Take a look at these real-life and kid-built examples. Remember, you can complete the weekly building challenge in any way that you can imagine and using any materials that you want. That means you could use Lego, blocks, household materials, craft supplies, recycled materials, materials you collected in nature, or real building materials. How you build is up to you. All right, Amazing Builders, it's tool tutorial time. For this week's tool tutorial, we're exploring personal protective equipment, or PPE. Personal protective equipment are the clothes and equipment that we wear that keep us safe while we're working. There are many different kinds of personal protective equipment. Let's check them out. Up first is the hard hat. You wear a hard hat on your head, and it protects your brain from falling debris. Up next are safety glasses and safety goggles. You wear safety glasses or goggles on your face, and they protect your eyes from anything getting inside of them. Now let's take a look at work gloves. Work gloves go on your hands, and they protect them from anything sharp or anything dangerous that might hurt them. Here, we have earplugs. Earplugs go in your ears and are incredibly important when you're working somewhere with loud noises or loud machinery. They protect your eardrums and your hearing from long-term damage. You're probably already very familiar with this piece of personal protective equipment, the mask. You wear a mask over your mouth, and it protects your lungs from breathing in any dangerous or harmful particles like dust particles and paint fumes. Next is the safety vest. This safety vest is orange and reflective. It makes me very noticeable to any other workers or peoples on a construction site. It makes it so that I am seen and safe. The final piece of personal protective equipment that I want to share with you today are steel-toed or composite-toed boots. These boots protect your toes and your feet from anything hard that falls on them. You can tell that these boots are safe because they have a green triangle that shows that they are CSA approved, which means that they are approved by the regulatory body that makes sure you're safe at work. Well, Amazing Builders, that's all I had for you this week. Complete the weekly building challenge and share your work. Upload a photo to the commenting section under this video. Create a post with a photo or video and tag the library. You could also share your work by direct messaging us on social media or emailing us a photo at library@gravenhurst.ca. I can't wait to see all of the amazing creations that you came up with. Also, remember to take a peek at the description for this week's video. You'll find additional information and resources pertaining to the weekly building challenge and tool tutorial. Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment, and share it with your friends. Also, subscribe to our YouTube channel so you don't miss new weekly videos. As always, Gravenhurst, I'm Jen, and I'm with you every Thursday at 2 p.m. with fun, open-ended building challenges and tool tutorials. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next week.